Developing now, a public health emergency has been declared in Flint. As we've been reporting, lead is getting into the city's water supply.
Federal, state, and local officials now have a plan to address the concerns. 7 investigator Jim Kurtzner is in Flint tonight with the new developments.
It was a week ago that local health officials here in Flint determined that lead levels among young kids had doubled, even tripled. But what brought the state here, some say forced the state to come here, is this is now a health emergency. Or is it?
We understand many have lost confidence in the drinking water. We need to build that back.
Here's why that's a tough job. Kids in 2 Flint zip codes have increased lead levels. Still, state officials say there's no lead in the water. The problem is corrosion in the water was too high in August at the treatment plant. And that can cause lead to leach from old pipes and solder that connects pipes. The testing was done here by Hurley Medical Center, and that caused Genesee County officials yesterday to declare a health emergency. Get this, state officials do not agree.
I do not think that it rises to the level of a statewide emergency.
Why not?
There's just we are here with the resources necessary.
Here's the state's fix: immediate water testing at Flint schools, expanding testing of people, and expanding home water testing. $1 million for home filters for residents. Reconnecting to Detroit? Not yet.
Flint lives matter! Flint lives matter!
Flint residents have been living with water safety questions since this city disconnected from the Detroit system and went back to using this, Flint River water, in April of last year. The treatment plant sat mostly idle for some 50 years. The long-term Flint fix, a new pipeline being built from Port Huron over to Flint, but it won't be done until sometime next year.
When we was with Detroit Water, we didn't have a problem. All of a sudden, with a snap of a finger, they switched, and now we've got a problem.
It's only a temporary fix, and we need more than that. These are babies' lives we're playing with.
Flint's mayor says reconnecting to the Detroit water system would cost this city $1.5 to $2 million and bankrupt Flint. The governor says today that option is still on the table, but he has not brought any money to the table. In Flint, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
Certainly an expensive fix. Well, the United